Listen carefully to what's going on in our environment so we can accurately use our intuition to make the changes we need to. Rabbit. For more, go to spirit-animals.com.
Greetings, bliss up everyone. I am the Empress Sheba and welcome to another video. In this video, we will be doing our daily walk and I'm going to take you along with us and show you some footage of these rabbits. I have never seen so many rabbits in my life until I start walking this trail. Check it out.
When rabbit hops in as your spirit animal, it's time to look before you leap. Rabbit as a totem animal is for those souls who are creative problem solvers. Invoke rabbit as your power animal when you need help switching directions fast. For more, visit whatismyspiritanimal.com. People with rabbit totems are spontaneous and the life of the party. Rabbits love good fun and frolicking, so those who encounter you will find no wildflower. Rabbit energy challenges your reflexes and supports you in tapping into your psychic skills. Therefore, you have a deep sense of knowing what direction to take to ensure progress in your life and your spiritual path. In general, if you were born under the zodiac sign of Leo, rabbit would be your spirit animal. Rabbit is associated with the fire element. For more, go to animaltotem.com. You resonate with almost all qualities of the rabbit, like being brave, handling challenges well, being a good friend, guiding, and healing others. You see rabbits all the time, like photos, documentaries, videos, but not on your choice. You just love rabbits very much, they inspire you, and you can't explain why. Frolicking.